see them very occasionally.
Okay. Cool.
But yeah, I've seen more. I mean, I've got two of them in sight right now. You know, I can see both of them moving at the same time. And a few weeks ago, I saw about nine in one day. I've seen as many.
So many people coming in.
It really varies. High tide is good.
Okay.
Because a lot of stuff comes out. You hardly ever see these guys, or I've rarely seen them at low tide.
Okay.
I've seen them more at high tide. Occasionally you'll see them at mid tide. Low tide, only because a lot of times then you'll get like the
American coots?
yes.
I know.
Yeah, they had a lot of coots.
American coots?
Yes, they were. I know, but there's different types.
Walk by it 50 times.
And they're always here. I mean, I've never.
He's the guy walking through.
Red shielded? Or are they just American?
The American coot. They're much bigger than yours.
Just like those snowy egrets.
You saw Harrier earlier.
She's got the shade.
Oh, yeah. Do you think that's why?
Harriers love making
She's having a walk.
crisscrossing back and forth.
Your conditions really want snakes. What needs to be done?
We're going to be struggling
I wonder what kind of nest. I wonder if there's a nest there.
They build a floating nest.
Floating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they don't want us to do that. They told us that they're illegal. Yeah, so
There's a law on the books about this?
there's some administrative, California administrative law.
Yeah.